Welcome to All About Cars. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, a legendary name making a bold return. Known for its stylish design, powerful performance, and classic American muscle heritage, the new Monte Carlo is set to bring back the excitement of a true coupe with a modern twist. With a blend of nostalgia and innovation, Chevrolet is ready to redefine the Monte Carlo for a new generation. The 2025 Monte Carlo showcases a sleek and aggressive design, featuring a sculpted hood, sharp LED headlights, and a striking front grille that commands attention. The aerodynamic body lines and muscular stance give it a performance-driven look, while modern touches like a panoramic sunroof and unique alloy wheels add to its appeal. Whether cruising the streets or hitting the open highway, the Monte Carlo is built to turn heads. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6 and an available V8 for those who crave extra horsepower. With an advanced transmission system and rear-wheel drive, the Monte Carlo delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The finely tuned suspension ensures sharp handling and a smooth ride, making it perfect for both daily driving and spirited weekend runs. Inside, the Monte Carlo combines luxury and technology with a driver-focused cockpit. Premium materials, sporty bucket seats, and an intuitive digital display enhance the experience. The infotainment system comes equipped with a large touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and an immersive sound system, ensuring every ride is as entertaining as it is thrilling. Advanced climate control and customizable ambient lighting add a touch of sophistication to the interior. Chevrolet prioritizes safety with the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. A high-strength body structure, multiple airbags, and stability control work together to provide maximum protection. Whether you're pushing the limits on the road or enjoying a relaxed drive, the Monte Carlo is designed to keep you safe. With its bold design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, the 2025 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is set to revive a classic icon for the modern era. Are you excited about this legendary coupe making a comeback? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All About Cars for more exciting updates.